Yes people, so we are in the AMG twin turbo right now. About to do a quick POV. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for me to do like a little POV on the thing. So very much we're gonna fucking jump in the whip. I'm gonna just skirt this bitch around. I don't even know why I'm gonna drive it, but we're gonna drive it. But anyway, if you haven't seen the whip, if you don't know what the whip looks like, let me show you. So obviously this is the whip, you know what I'm saying? If you haven't seen it already, this is the whip. It's obviously a A250 Amg thing. Yeah, the thing flies, but when you put your foot down, you start seeing madness, bro. But anyway, that's the whip. But yeah, so pretty much we're gonna do a quick POV. Just sit back, relax, and get your cousin and enjoy it, bro. Yes people, obviously listen, welcome to the POV. I know a lot of you man have been waiting for this for a hot minute. Bumba Clark, I thought that was a bruv. But yeah, I know a lot of you man have been waiting for this for a hot minute, yeah. But listen, it's finally here. Your boys doing the POV, yeah. Man's gonna be fucking scurrying this bitch all around the block, yeah. This ain't even where I live, but don't worry about that, yeah. We're gonna be scurrying it around the block. I'm gonna be smoking utes. If I see a GTI, I'm smoking it, yeah. All I'm saying is, yeah, you man, all I'm saying is, while during this whole video, I want you guys to spot all the pacey niggas, like all the fast cars. I want you guys to spot them. So obviously, if you spot them, go in the comments and I'll fucking find them and I'll smoke them. That's basically what I'm gonna be doing. You man meant to pick out all the fast cars. Like right there's a TT, yeah. Right now I would smoke it, but let me chill. I would, like, as I said, I will smoke it, but let me chill. I thought let me not do that, just in case next thing you know they start crying, they have a long day. Welcome to the POV. Obviously, if you don't know already, we're in the A250 fucking Mercedes A-Class. Obviously, I revealed it not too long ago. I've had this car for about a month now. I'm enjoying it. I can't lie, this car's sick. Like, compared to my, if you a lot of you, if you already known, I had the Corsa before this. Like, from going from the Corsa to this, bruv, it's gas. Like, bruv, I love the car. I can't lie, I love the car. Every time I jump in it, I feel like I slowly get like certain things start to rise, if you know what I'm saying, yeah. All the girls out there, shout out to you. Any girls out there that's 20 plus, slide in my DMs. But anyway, when I hop in this car, things start to rise, yeah, and everything just starts getting mad. But yeah, fucking fuck's sake. But obviously, yeah, it's 200 brake at the moment. I haven't got no maps on it. I haven't done no engine mods. It's pretty much just bone stock. The only thing I've done is like put some lights on, but that's not really, I don't really count or anything. But yeah, it's pretty much bone stock. There's nothing really like that I've done to it that's a bit mad. So like obviously at the moment, at the moment it's stock, yeah. But obviously we're gonna do a few POVs if it's stock, and then we're gonna do POVs when I've got like all the fucking exhaust, bro. When I got everything on it, it's mad, yeah. All I'm saying, when I slap everything on this thing, bruv, I'm gonna be moving nuts, bruv. I'm gonna start moving nuts, bruv. I can't wait to map it. Like, even though like I'm not getting used to the power, but like the power doesn't, it surprises me, but it doesn't like oh shit, like, do you know what I'm saying? Sometimes when you put your foot down, you start contemplating mad thoughts. With this, like, I contemplate thoughts, but they aren't mad thoughts. But obviously I know when I stage one this car, oh my days, don't fucking gas me. When I stage one this fucking whip, bruv, oh my, I can't wait. Like, I was thinking of doing it like soon, but obviously look, man's got like a fucking like a technical warranty, whatever it's called, so if any mechanical stuff. So obviously if you do like a stage one, your warranty is gone in it. So obviously that's the only reason why I haven't done it yet. But like, bruv, I've been so tempted to just fucking do some madness. Let me do a quick pull just here quick. Woo! Fuck! I don't, this, bruv. Oh my goodness me, mate. This mate, like, I don't know why I lied. I lied, and I can't lie, earlier in this video I lied, bro. This car still, bro, I get squeaky bum time. When I put my foot down, I get squeaky bum time, I can't lie. But oh my dear, I need to talk about something, bro. The petrol, bro, the petrol in this car, low-key makes me want to cry. The petrol in this car makes me want to karate. Look at that A4, bro. I see that car all the time. It's so beautiful, man. Fuck. But bro, the petrol that you, bro, the MPG, the petrol that I get in this car is dead, bro. I can't lie. If you put it in sport mode and you put your foot down a few times, bro, it's dead, man. I can't lie, bro. You drink petrol so quickly, and it actually annoys me. Like, I slapped, bro. Overall, I've probably put like 60 pounds in there. I've topped this up. I can't lie. I've topped up twice. But like, it doesn't last. Like, that's the thing. Like, I put 20 quid in there. It was fucking at like what, just under, like, it was just over, it was pretty much over half in it, bruv. After 1 hour, bruv, it's there, blood. Fuck, it's long. It might just be the way I'm driving. Obviously, if you're driving it very economically, it's not going to be as bad. But if you're driving it back, ragging it about, and I'm just thinking, once I get a map and I get exhausted, all that shit, bruv, this thing is going to be mad expensive to run. Like, I can't lie, it's gonna be peak, bruv. I'm not on it. I low-key, I'm not on it. Usually I'm on smoke, yeah, I'm on smoke. If my brother pulls up, I'm on smoke. But with this, I'm not on smoke. I don't want no smoke, bruv. It's long. Fucking hell. But bruv, this interior, like, just like, I can't wait to do more interior mods. Obviously, we're gonna do like, I wanna do like little lights coming through here and like lights coming through there, bruv. We're gonna do like the ambient lighting thing as well. We're gonna get stars on the roof. Are you dumb? Man, slapping that on there. Yeah, you thought I was joking? That's going on there. Yeah, I'm doing that myself. Why is this guy taking very long to turn, bruv? I'm doing that all myself. Are you nuts, bruv? Literally, oh, that car is so peng. That's the grill I'm getting, bruv. That grill right there, the front grill when it's like the lines, bro, I'm getting that. I can't, it's like panoramic or whatever the fuck it's called, but I'm getting that, bruv. But oh my days. What's going on there? You don't understand the gas. You don't understand the gas, bruv. Fucking hell. But I can't remember what I was saying. Can't lie, I want to do a pull, bruv. But this, let me slow down a bit. I want to do a pull. I don't even know if there's a fucking thing here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh! It's just too mad! It's too mad! Like, I want to go home. I'm done. I want to go home. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Yeah? I want to go home. I'm tired. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Like, nobody wants it, bro. Nobody wants it. Nobody would want, I wouldn't want it. Bro, I'm saying, if I was driving any other car, bro, and then I saw a brother come like this, I don't want the smoke. I don't want it. Leave me alone. I'm tired. Fuck. This car gas, like, oh my days, I really want to map it, man. I feel like when I map it, oh my, like, it's gonna be a madness. It's gonna be a madness. When I map it, bruv, it's gonna be fucking insane. Like I'm just so excited to map this car. Like all I want to do is map it, but I know I just shouldn't do it, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's mad. It's mad. You know what I'm saying? It's mad. I know I shouldn't do it, but I want to do it. That's all I'm saying. Obviously, I'm getting used to the manual, like the manual shifters as well. Like if you just saw then, I was doing manual shifting just then as well. Like I want to get used to like shifting manual, because obviously I come from driving a course of fucking stick shift, innit? Obviously driving manual with this, it's the same but it's different. It's hard to explain, but like I want to get used to using manual with this. Like obviously man's gonna get the pedal shifter extensions. I can't just have it for looks. Like I want to use it. Like so obviously, and a lot of time when I see people driving auto, they always using they shift manually. I don't know I don't know why. It's probably because it's more fun. Obviously, when you're driving manual, it's probably fucking way more fun. Like, but yeah, like I just want to get used to it, because obviously, I just want to get used to driving it manual. Basically, obviously, it's in gear 1 now. I don't know when. Sometimes I don't know when to put it into gear 2 and shit like that. I don't know. Oh mate, I think I fucked up, bro. There's bare traffic, bro. Fuck. I can't lie. I've been looking at my next whip. Yeah, I know I just got this one, but I've been looking at my next whip. I'm thinking, yeah, there's a few cars that I would get. I don't know whether I want to move to BMW or move to this or that. But in terms of Mercedes, there's a few Mercedes that's going to be on the list of my next car. There's a CLA 45, the new one. If you haven't seen that, pure sex. Yeah, when you look at that car, all I'm saying is, when you look at that car, it's basically think of Lisa Ann. I need to chill, bro. Fuck. But yeah, CLA 45 or the C43. But obviously there's more options. Like, if I want to get a BM, I'll get a BM. But in terms of Mercedes, they're the only two. What the fuck? They're the only two Mercedes that I would get. This guy thought I was waving at him, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck is it? But yeah, in terms of Mercedes, they're the two, or C60. Yeah, all I'm saying is, if things start making sense, man, hopping in the C63, bruv. Woo! Look at that fucking X6 right there, mate. Fucking hell. State of that. I'd love an X5M, I can't lie, bro. Them cars are sexy. Oh, look at that A-Class, bruv. My brother, come on. Any A-Class that I see, bro, I'm just like, yeah, come on, my guy. Even though you're not A250, you're still my guy. Come on. Anyway, I can't lie. This POV is low-key an L, bro. I can't lie, because, bro, the amount of, like, one thing I realized is recently the traffic has been fucking insane, man. Like, you can't do anything anymore almost. Like, it's fucking annoying. Can't do anything anymore, bruv. Mate, that geezer in front, man, I was about to smoke his whole life, bruv. That geezer in front, I was about to smoke his whole life, bro. I don't know what he was thinking. He put his foot down. I was like, I put my foot down. I was like, right on his ass, bro. He needs to calm himself down. He's not understanding. Man's in the fucking AMG. Like, you can't be doing them things to me. Do you understand? I don't know what he was thinking there for a second there. He needs to chill, bro. Because I swear, bro, I'm on the most crud. I'm on the most crud, bro. Literally, downshift. So mad, like, you get up to speed in this car so quick. Look at this geezer. Oh, smoke, bruv. If he wants smoke, I don't know that guy right there. I don't know if he wants smoke, but he looks like he wants smoke. I'm starting to think he wants smoke, bruv. If he wants smoke, I'll hand deliver him some smoke. This car is fucking ridiculous. Like, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, man. I know this car ain't the fastest car, but the way it makes me feel like I got the fastest whip on the road. That's what it makes me feel. It makes me feel like I got the fastest whip on the road, but I don't. Yeah, man, fuck me. There's an A-class in front of me right there. Hey, listen, drop a like right now if you want me to race him, bruv. It might be a girl, I can't lie, because whenever you see a white fucking A-class, it's a girl, bruv. But yeah, honestly, go in the comments right now and see and ask if the 180Ds. It's always a 180D, bruv. So hard to get used to manual, man. I'm really trying to get used to it, but like it's like because when you're in an auto car, for some reason you always think it's gonna change automatically, even though it's fucking not, and you end up revving it bare high. Like one time I got it fucking bare high, like 6,000 RPMs, and I was like, why is it not changing, bro? And I realized I'm in manual, bro. It's not gonna change. And wasting my petrol, bro. All I'm saying, if you're enjoying this POV so far, smash that like button and also subscribe. Share this video with your boys, innit? Because I know there's man them out there that want to see this. Share this video with your boys, share on Instagram, and obviously I'll post you on my story as well if you share on Instagram. But I can't lie, man, like I've been loving this car. I can't wait to do more mods to this car because there's so many more stuff like that I can do to this car. You can see my indicator. I don't know why it's all up my ass like that, bro. You can literally see my indicator. People are so stupid sometimes, bro. I can't lie. Also, I just want to quickly say, anyone who owns like an AMG, a C43, or any sort of AMG, literally DM me on Instagram, because I'm trying to do like a little like car review. I want to like jump in some fucking like quicker Mercedes, some AMGs, and kind of just get a feel for it, and I can make a little video on it and talk about just the differences between this motor, and obviously it's a big difference between this and like a proper AMG. But like I just want to like do a full video and like sit in an AMG and feel an AMG's power and kind of just compare it to mine and kind of just do a little sick video like that. So if you do have like a fucking AMG anything, just jump in my DM. That sounds mad, bruv. But hop in my DM. That sounds crazy, bruv. DM man, and then but that's not, bruv. DM me, and then yeah, we'll do a little video on it as well, bruv. Right there, coming up now. Look at that beautiful little car. Don't know what the fuck that is, mate. Ain't got a clue. But look at that plate, bruv. Man said, what the fuck does that even say? Fit you. Cold. Man said fit you. Cold. Say nothing. Cold. Bruv, I can't lie, bro. I don't know why I have an urge to just smoke someone right now, bro. I don't know why. It's weird, bro. I don't like having this urge, but the urge is there, bruv. I just want to smoke someone, man. I don't know why I always have that urge. Every time I'm in my car, I don't know why, I just always feel like I just want to smoke someone. Like I want a car to just be like, and I'm just like, bro, you bro, I'm tapped, bro, but I can't lie, it's a weird urge, but I got that urge, man. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the POV here because I'm gonna be rambling on for time, and obviously I'm just cruising at the moment. I don't want it to get boring, so yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Obviously, we're on the road. I do want to hit 10K by the end of the year, but realistically, I don't know, like, I mean, so obviously, if you are new to the channel, subscribe, and let's try and just fucking smash out all these goals. And obviously, I'm trying to become the biggest car channel on YouTube, so obviously help me out with that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. The next one should be a modification again. Yeah, I'm gassed, bro. I can't wait to do more mods to this. But yeah, the next one should be a modification. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bow!